Mommy's got it.
Hi.
What is that? That's a zebra.
Just let her see it herself and see what she does.
Yeah.
It's a big kitty. Be nice. Be nice. That would be a good night to get that cow out too. Do you like it?
Yeah, that's Ella's, huh?
It's a zebra, not a kitty. Yeah, Mama just told you a kitty because you'd think it was alive.
It's a horsey, like a horsey, huh? Giddy up. Boom, 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 boom. Zebra.
You gotta be nice to him.
Look, you go for a ride. Go for a ride. No?
Ella, you can go for a horsey. Horsey back ride.
Go for a horseback ride. Go for a horseback ride. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Here. Here, Daddy, get down here with you. See? Nice horsey, huh? Nice horsey.
Ride the horsey.
Giddy up. See? Ba-doom, 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 ba-doom. Giddy up, horsey. You want to pet it? Nice zebra, huh?
Give it kisses. Can you give it kisses?
What you think? Kind of weird, huh? It's bigger than you. Giddy up.
I figured he could share your bed with you. Giddy up.
Giddy up.
Plump, 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 plump.
Yeah.
Cal, you saying giddy up, giddy up?